G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this brief episode, we're going to be talking about the two different types of oil pump gaskets available from Minisport. So as you can see, one's brown, one's green. That's the only difference. See you later. We'll see you next time. Just kidding. So what we're going to be talking about is the original style gasket. So this is a really good standard replacement gasket and comes with most conventional rebuild kits. So whether you're just doing a full reseal kit or whether you want to go and replace pistons, rings, bearings, all that sort of jazz, this is the standard gasket that comes in it. Now these are a wear and tear item, so as you remove it, you are likely to replace it because it's going to tear or it's going to wear, it's not going to seal properly, and then you're going to cause catastrophic failure of your engine. Now, in my professional opinion, I would replace these every time you either replace the oil pump, remove the oil pump, or even remove the camshaft. They're only a couple of dollars. You might as well just change it while you're there if you've got the engine apart. The only thing is you need to remove the flywheel assembly along with the transfer case housing to get to the oil pump, but it's literally 2 bolts on average that hold these things in, so you might as well change it while you've got everything apart. Now, the next one is the green type. This is a Rover genuine part. Now, from my understanding, in the UK, Rover was the last manufacturer of classic minis all the way up through to the late 90s and even early 2000s. This was their upgraded gasket that they made to suit the Rover minis. So the MPIs and the turboed minis. So for the extra couple of dollars more than what this one will set you back, you might as well upgrade. It's a little bit thicker, so it's going to promote more vacuum in the oil pump and in the oil system, therefore prevent things like conrod bearings slipping, main bearings, all that sort of jazz, the engine running dry and being short on oil, especially on startup. So for the extra cost, you might as well upgrade from this one to this one. Make sure you check out their wide range on minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.